Congratulations! You have purchased a Hyperbaric chamber Revitalair by Biobarica. It will be arriving at the shipping address shortly. You will receive a package with 4 boxes correctly wrapped. When you receive your order, you should check the package is in good condition. If any boxes are broken, dented, or wet, you should report this on the delivery note when you sign for the shipment. The 4 boxes contain each of the chamber components. In the first box, you will find the support table. In the second box, you will find the cabin with its doors, the mattress, the backrest, 2 pillows, the telescopic rods, and the carpet. The third box contains the compressor cabinet and the accessory box. In the accessory box, you will find the user's manual, the warranty certificate, an information leaflet, the hose, the voltage cable or fuse, the auxiliary input connector, the mask, its extender and connector, the bell envelope, a pair of sprayers, the cleaning nozzle, 6 locks for the table legs, 2 supports for the cabin door, and if you have purchased the stretcher, 10 bolts for the stretcher, 2 bolts for the wheels, 2 hex keys, and an Allen wrench. And in the last box, you will find the fixed and mobile module of the stretcher, the cart's H, the cart's L, the cover for the fixed module, the sliding profile, and the mattress in case you have purchased the stretcher. Once the unpacking is done, you can start with the assembly and installation of the equipment. Welcome to the largest hyperbaric medicine network in the world. Thank you for trusting us.